We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to present a comprehensive overview of the Handheld Fidget Gadget toy set, which includes a Dragon Fidget hand spinner, Fidget Infinity Cube, Fidget Pad, and Hammer Fidget Spinner. This set is designed for both kids and adults as a stress-relieving and concentration-enhancing tool. It features a compact, lightweight, and ergonomic design that makes it easy to handle during various daily activities such as office work, commuting, studying, or simply relaxing. The set is highly recommended for individuals who struggle with anxiety or high stress levels. It is suitable for a wide audience including students, office workers, and artists. The fidget spinners included have a high-speed R188 alloy bearing that ensures smooth spinning for over 3 minutes. The metal alloy body gives the spinners a sturdy, heavy-duty feel and a visually appealing look. The Fidget Pad offers 8 different functions, including clickable and silent buttons, a joystick, finger massage roller, gears, sliders, a spinning dial, a switch, and a convex grip, providing a variety of tactile sensations to help relieve stress. Users appreciate the quality and sturdiness of the items in this set. Many reviews highlight that the spinners are smooth and have a satisfying weight, which contributes to a premium feel despite the set not being the highest quality on the market. The Infinity Cube is praised for its continuous shifting action, which keeps hands busy and minds focused. The Fidget Pad is described as clicky and engaging, although some users find it a bit confusing or less enjoyable compared to the other items. The Thor's Hammer Spinner is noted for its detailed design and solid build, making it a favorite among children and adults alike. It has a heavy feel and spins smoothly, adding to the overall appeal of the set. The carrying case included with the set is convenient and well-liked for making it easy to transport the fidget toys. Some users report minor downsides such as the game controller fidget breaking quickly or requiring hard presses on some buttons, which affects usability. The size of the spinners may be smaller than expected for some buyers. Despite these issues, the set is considered a good value for the price, especially as a gift for children and teenagers. It serves as a fun alternative to video games and digital devices, helping to keep hands engaged and reduce stress. Overall, the Handheld Fidget Gadget toy set is a solid choice for those seeking a variety of fidget toys in one package. It offers multiple ways to relieve stress and improve concentration with durable and thoughtfully designed items. While not perfect, it delivers good performance and enjoyment for a wide range of users. If you own this set, please consider leaving a review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The product link is in the description and using it supports the channel.